where the box is, if you just move around, you can see the little black arrows here in the top right hand corner of the text. There goes a little wave there, see? And you can angle it any way you want. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Somebody has reached out to me and asked me, how do you put your text on your thumbnails? So I thought I'd do a little video just to show people how to do text on thumbnails using Photoshop. As you can see, I've got a little background of Bayek of Siwa because I'd like to do Assassin's Creed games. So with Photoshop, we have what's called it's simple enough. You have a little T with text. You just click on that on the left bar here, as you can see, with all your tools that you can use. Okay, click on the T, make sure it's highlighted. You'll have a little sort of square with looks like a timer in it, but just click on and it'll come up this strange thing with lorem on it. And what you do, you just okay, so you'll have your text. What you've got to do is just click on your crosshair bar there, bring it across. Okay, now something else that people may not know is if you click on the A in the toolbar on the right, if you have a look at the T's here, one goes up and down, one goes left and right. So if you got it highlighted, the text, you can adjust that accordingly. Okay, just to fit your screen, and you can click on it, the text, and just position it where you want it on the screen. Now, the other thing was asked is how do you do the color? If you look on the little box, text box here, there's a color box here in black. Okay, click on that. What you'll have then is a box like this to pop up. Pick your color. So let's say yellow. Highlight the yellow, and it will change to yellow. Okay. You highlight in red, it'll change to red. Highlight in blue, it'll change to blue. So let's put it in. Let's put it in red for now. Okay. Click OK. You must click OK to change the color. Now then. Okay. So you've got your text. What I need to do there is just click on text again because I haven't put a gap in there. Supposed to be Assassin's Creed, not one word. Sorry about that. Okay, now. Also, if you look here in the little box that we've popped out with the letters, this is where your font is. You drop that down and you can select the font. Let's take, I don't know, Comic Access regular. Okay, as you can see, that changes the font. Millions of fonts. You can put new fonts in, as you all may know, on a PC. Now, you can also, I've got mine italicized, but it's you can put it in italic, you can put it in bold, you can adjust it accordingly, pick them off and on, but I always like to get mine on just a little bit of italic. Okay, now here's where the fun part starts. Okay, I'd usually leave that box open because there's no reason to put it away. Right, now if you go down here on the right, these are all your layers. Okay, now if you look at the layers here with Assassin's Creed text, yeah, with the T next to it, if you double click on that, what you'll do is you get a little box like this. Okay, it pops up. The only reason I'm dragging them over because I've got it on set up on the other screen. So, right now you've got a lot of opportunities here. Now, what I tend to do, I don't necessarily use a stroke, but if you put a stroke on, it makes it stand out a little bit more, and that looks actually quite good. Okay, but I tend to like to put an afterglow on, an outer glow. Sorry. Now to change the outer glow, usually white. It just makes it more prominent. And then also, if you still want to, pop the stroke on. Also, now if you just click on the highlighted bar of afterglow and come over this side, right? What you could do is you can adjust the size of the afterglow, as you see, the outer glow, sorry. And as you can see, also the spread. Okay, that just makes your spread go out further. I don't particularly like the spread too much. I like the size to be It makes it actually look like it's glowing. Okay, so you can take the stroke off if you want. As you can see, it just makes the text more prominent. Okay, now there's lots of other things that you can use. There's pattern overlay, put different patterns on the text. Never used them. Drop shadow is a popular one. So let me just take the afterglow, as you can see. Drop shadow. Okay, let's put like a little shadow on the text here, as you can see here. But if you want to angle that, let's just make the distance a little bit more, as you can see. Look. Now that's adjustable accordingly, how you like it. Now the angle is also adjustable, as you can see. See that? And that's just your little clock dial there, and you can put the angle of your drop shadow, and that looks quite pleasant. Okay, so basically they're the basics of text. But what I do like about it is you can actually just pop that away for a second. Let's not forget that pick the A out again. You can size that any size you want using the left and right. Now the up and down makes it narrower or larger, as you can see now. But also, I think it's a really good tool in Photoshop. You just put that away. Where the box is, if you just move around, you can see the little black arrows here in the top right hand corner of the text. There goes a little wave there, see? And you can angle it any way you want, right? I always think that's quite a cool tool to use. Well, you don't need much, just a little bit. It just gives it that little, makes it stand out a little bit more. You don't always have to do it, of course. You know, I'm more of a straight type of guy. I like to keep my text. And then if you want to you click on your crosshair, and then you can move it around any way you want. Okay. So they're the basics. So hope that's helped you. If it has, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Hey, you know what? You might get some new tips. Okay? See you in the next one.